Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply gradient on text in Canva. Basically this is a bit tricky to do gradient on a text in Canva, and let me show you very quickly how you can do this. So first of all, we just create a new page here. So I'm just going to create a new page. This is a blank page. Now what I will do, I will just go to the elements option. From here you need to just search for gradient. Here you can choose any gradient you want, but do not choose any transparent gradient. You need to have a full graphics like this one, so I'm choosing this one. Now I will just fit this gradient to my page. Now I will add a text. So go to the text section and just add any text you want. I'm adding the heading. So this is the text I want to apply the gradient. Now after adding the text, you just need to turn it to white. Just change the color to white. Now what we need to do, now you just need to change the transparency of this text to 45. Just click on three dot and then go to this transparency and choose this to 45. That's it. Now you need to export this page, so I'm just going to click on share. From here just go to downloads. Now choose any format you want. I'm just choosing the JPG format, and I don't want all the pages, I only want the page 2 and this one. And now click on done and download it. So now I'll just again go to uploads and upload the image that I just created. So just choose the file that I want to upload. So it's uploading. So I'm just deleting all the pages that I have right here. So I'm just creating a new blank page. Now I will just drag and drop this image that I just uploaded here and then make it full page. Now select the image and click on edit image. Remember, you must have the pro version of Canva or education version to use the background remover tool. So just click on edit image and then click on background remover and wait for some time to do the job. Now you can see perfectly remove all the background and you only have the text. Now we can just adjust this text a little bit. So select the text, now go to edit image and then click on adjust. From here you can just increase the contrast and saturation, and then maybe you can just a little less darker. Now you can see our gradient is looking very perfect. So this way you can apply gradient on any text in Canva. I hope you like the video, and if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.